PAS generation is the new era of sales copywriting that emphasizes on lead generation. With our PAS Copywriting Framework, you can incorporate science-backed copywriting strategies in your PAS marketing efforts to bring more conversions. I am here to assist you in using WriteMe.ai. Today I am going to share how you can use WriteMe.ai to write engaging sales copies using PAS format in few easy steps. As you know, first you have to select your desired language, your tone of voice, and your preferred use case. Then, input some relevant information for PAS writing. You can enter keywords, phrases, main context, titles, and goal of PAS writing. Finally, simply click Write Me. That's it, time to bring more leads with your fresh new PAS copywriting. Incorporate science-backed PAS copywriting framework to create copy that converts well. Explore new AI blog content creator suggestions and rule your competition. I hope that we are providing you with the complete details on how to use WriteMe.ai Creator to generate meaningful content for you. If not, please tell us in the comments section. Thanks. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.